Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you how to get approved for a personal loan that will lower your utilization and bring your score up. Step 1. Get added as an authorized user with a credit limit double the amount of your overall credit limit. This will increase your score to help you qualify for the loan. Step 2. Once the authorized user posts, watch your score increase and you'll be ready for your loan application. Step 3. Make sure your credit score is at a minimum of 600 to 640 and your debt to income ratio is below 40%. Step 4. Go online, find lenders that will pre-qualify you, check your numbers, fill the application, get approved, and pay down your credit cards. Step 5. Your loan funds are deposited in your account and your bills are paid, and now it's time to relax. And this is the end of another great video. Please subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Thank you.